Hey guys, so welcome to the YouTube channel Let's Crack NEET PG, where you have the top educators, quality content, and you guys are assured a great learning experience. I'm your educator Chaitanya Mittal, and I hope you guys have downloaded the Unacademy Learning app. There are some exciting offers going on with my referral code Chaitanya10, and you guys can utilize this referral code to take a subscription. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you more about the Unacademy program and what are the various batches and the offers that we are running. Okay, so we have an iconic subscription and we have a plus subscription and we have some great offers for both of them. So we have a 12 plus 2 on the plus subscription and also a 3 plus 1 offer. So let's first begin with today's topic, and then at the end of today's video, I'll be telling you about all these offers and all about the Unacademy program. So through this class, I bring to you another anatomy mnemonic, and that mnemonic is called as rule of two. That mnemonic is called as rule of two, and I'm sure you've all heard of it in the context of Meckel's diverticulum. In the context of Meckel's diverticulum, this is generally taught in embryology. There's also a week of two, है ना? And second week is called as the week of two. क्यों कहते हैं उसमें क्या होता है? That is a different topic. But right now, what we are going to do is called as the rule of two. Okay, and that's applicable for the Meckel's diverticulum. So there are everything that is there related to the Meckel's diverticulum. What is Meckel's diverticulum? It is an outpouching of the vitellointestinal duct. Vitellointestinal duct, it gets stuck with the umbilicus, and that's what creates a diverticulum. Okay, it is a true diverticulum. Now, what are true diverticuli and pseudo diverticuli? True diverticulum means that it is an outpouching that has all the layers of the intestinal wall. It has the mucosa, it has the submucosa, it has the muscularis. So because it has all layers, therefore it is a true diverticulum. Okay, it's a true diverticulum. So how I like to remember that is rule of 2 for the true diverticulum. Okay, rule of 2 for the true diverticulum, that is the Meckel's diverticulum. Okay, so that is the first place where I am using 2. Rule of 2 for the true diverticulum. Understood? Okay, so first thing that is very obvious is the epidemiology. So it occurs in 2% of the population. So it occurs in 2% of the population. That's the first thing. That's the prevalence of this particular abnormality. Second thing, you will ask, अच्छा, it occurs in 2% of people. किसमें ज़्यादा होता है, males में कि females में? So it is twice more common in males as compared to females. Again, epidemiological. Third thing, what is the length of this diverticulum? The length of this diverticulum is 2 inches. The length of this diverticulum is 2 inches. Fourth thing, it is located where? Where is it located? So if you guys remember, the umbilicus is approximately 2 feet proximal to the end of the small intestine. So it is 2 feet proximal to the ileocecal wall, right? Ileocecal wall marks the junction of the small intestine and the large intestine. So if you come 2 feet above that, let's say you are a cockroach and you are in somebody's digestive tract. So if you travel 2 feet from the ileocecal wall, you will reach the site of the Meckel's diverticulum. So 2 feet proximal to the ileocecal wall. Okay, although this wasn't a very pleasant imagination, I'm sure. Right, but whatever helps us to understand. Next, the age of onset is almost 2 years. Okay, so I'll write it here only. Age of onset is also 2 years. Age of onset is also 2 years, and only 2% of the patients are also symptomatic. It can be there, it is there in such a large population now. So let's say India's population is how much? 100 crores, right? So you will expect 2 crore people have this, but only 2% of these are symptomatic. Only 2% are going to be symptomatic, right? So that is, okay, I'll write it with the same color. In 2% of the population, and 2% are, out of these 2% are symptomatic. So effectively it is 0.04% are symptomatic. Okay, so 2% are of the total ones who have this are symptomatic. And there are 2 types of mucosa that can exist. So there are the 2 most common ectopic tissues here. 2 most common ectopic tissues here are either you can have the tissue of the stomach. See, because ultimately it is a additional loop of the gut, right? So it is going to have something that resembles the gut. So you can have either gastric tissue, or you can have pancreatic tissue, right? You can have stomach or pancreas. So I'll write gastric or pancreatic tissue, and the mucosa can either be belonging to the stomach or the small intestine, and that is another two. Okay, so gastric or pancreas. And what are the two types of mucosa that can be there? Gastric or small intestine. Okay, so that is the rule of two for the two diverticulum, and you can see we have used two here, 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 here. So how many twos have we used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the eighth one is that the two most common type of mucosa. It can either have gastric mucosa or the small intestinal mucosa. So there are a total of 8 points, and 8 is 2 cube. Okay, so everything boils down to 2. So that's the way to remember some things about the Meckel's diverticulum. And they might also be given as a question. And if you are appearing in your first prof exams, they might ask you to explain the rule of 2 for the Meckel's diverticulum. So I hope you guys can see everything. Okay, right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Right. So after that, I told you at the start that we have a lot of offers going on. So the first offer here is on the Iconic subscription, where if you go for the 3-year plan, you can get it for 58,500. The 2-year plan is 50,000, and the 1-year plan is 40,000. Only and only with my referral code Chaitanya10. Please remember to use Authentic Plus referral codes. And if you take the subscription, you are not only getting access to Unacademy, but you are also going to get access to Prep Ladder. This is the NEET PG Iconic subscription. All right. Similarly, you can also go ahead and take the Plus subscription, where you only get Unacademy. But there's a great offer there where you can avail a 3+1 offer. That is, if you take the 3-month plan, you are going to get 1 month free of cost, and you can also get a 12+2 offer in this. If you take it for 1 year, we are going to give you 2 months free of cost. We have recently also introduced a 4-year subscription. The logic behind that is, first year you are going to start with your preparation, first, second, third, and at the end of the 4th year, you have to give the next examination. And as you know, very recently, the next examination, it is in the pipeline of being confirmed. We're still waiting an official notification, right? So you have 4 years. So we have introduced a 4-year subscription, keeping all of this in mind, and it's very decently priced. If you go for the Plus subscription, it's 60,000, and I would say go for the Iconic subscription, so 75,000, and you get not only Unacademy, but you are also getting Prep Ladder. And here, if you use my referral code Chaitanya10, you will get a further 10% discount on this, and that is going to bring your price further down. All right, we have amazing batches on Unacademy. We've started batches for your prof exams also, not just NEET PG. If you want to prepare for your first prof, second prof, third prof, right, even for your final prof, we've started with batches. Besides that, we have started integrated clinical batches based on MCQs, dual educator sessions where we will have integrated sessions, for example, pathology, radiology, and other sessions where you will see that we are going to integrate the subjects, and that is again in accordance with the latest pattern of the next examination that is going to be there for you guys. For the NEET PG, we have a high yield revision batch which is recently started on 30th June, and we've started another batch for NEET PG on 30th of June. We have batches going on for FMGE, INI-CET, next examination, and we have an MCQ question bank of over 34,000 MCQs for you guys to practice. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and download the Unacademy Learning application and kickstart your preparation here, right? And if you do that, you have another advantage that when you are taking the Plus subscription, with the Plus subscription, the advantage is you are not only getting access to all the offers, but we are going to give you live classroom courses, which will feel like you're just running a continuous batch, regular testing in the form of weekly tests and special tests. You will get access to structured courses, unlimited access to live and recorded classes. We have an Ask a Doubt feature, and you get access to all these features with my Plus referral code, that is Chaitanya10. And that is just Unacademy Plus. And I would recommend you go for the Iconic subscription, where you are not only getting benefits of Unacademy Plus, but also for Prep Ladder, where you get the recorded video lectures, the updated question bank. We have recently launched question bank 3.0, that is there in Prep Ladder, and you will also get handwritten notes here. Okay, so this is the Plus subscription. That is everything that is there in Unacademy, and this is the Iconic subscription. That means not just the best of Unacademy, but also Prep Ladder. Okay, so that is going to be included. And for the month of July, we are having a MedMinds scholarship test, which is on July 10th of July. It's going to be there at 8 p.m. on the Unacademy app, and you have to use my invite code Chaitanya10 for this particular scholarship test. And the topic here is slides from pathology. So this is especially useful for those students who are in the second year or beyond that. And if you come first, you will get a free of cost 1-year Plus subscription. Okay. If you come second to fourth, there's a 75% scholarship. For the 5th to 9th ranks, there's a 50% scholarship. And for the 10th to 19th ranks, there's a 25% scholarship. So you can take advantage of the scholarship test that is there. And we've launched a new feature for our Plus users that is called as Raise a Hand. So you can basically interact live in the class. You can ask your doubts by raising your hand. You can speak to the educators, and you can clear your doubts much more effectively. That is the best thing that is there right now in the Plus subscription. Itna interactive. No other application is going to give you such interactive learning with such quality educators. Okay. So we have a Plus course and an Iconic course, like I told you. If you go for the 4-year plan and you apply my referral code Chaitanya 10, you can get this in 54,000. And if you go with the Iconic subscription, and again, if you apply my referral code here, the 4-year plan, you can get it for 67,500. So I think this is the best deal for all the students who are in the first year. And if you go ahead with the 3-year plan for Plus, it is 45,000. For Iconic, it is 58,500. 2-year plan, 36,000 here, and here it is 50,000. And the 1-year plan, you will get 2 months extra, and that will cost you 24,750. Here, the 1-year plan is for 40,500. If you want smaller plans, you can try out Plus. And if you go ahead with the 3-month plan, you will get 1 month free of cost, and that is 11,000. Always here, remember to use my referral code Chaitanya 10. Okay? Kabhi kya hota hai that you are not using a referral code that is an educator referral code, and because of that, some of these offers they are not applied. So please always remember to use the right referral code, and that is also a way of telling me that you guys watched this video, and that also inspired you to take a subscription. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. My name is Chaitanya Mittal, and my Plus referral code is Chaitanya 10. Please remember to hit the like button for this video. Do drop a comment as to what other videos you want, and if you specifically liked some part of this video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Let's Crack NEET PG, and hit the bell icon for notifications. You can also subscribe to our Telegram. The Telegram channel is t.me/unacademy NEET PG Chaitanya, or you can also subscribe to our Telegram channel, Let's Crack NEET PG, and that is there in the description itself. Also, I would like to tell you about the Bugs Bounty program. We have introduced this starting from the month of July. So if you can point out any inappropriate content in the videos, right? Be very careful. Any inappropriate content in the videos, you can claim a prize, right? And that is there. There's a form in the description using which you can be doing this. And that is there to ensure that the quality of your education is controlled by you. So do keep that in mind while watching the videos so you can take advantage of this as well. Thank you so much, guys.